If you don't know the numbers of your business, then you might be trying to grow a business where your margins are off, and it doesn't matter how big you grow, you're always going to be chasing your tail, trying to do the next things.
When you get to the end of the month and you look at your finances and you don't really understand them, then it becomes very frustrating. It is this nagging feeling in the back of your mind. Where am I really?
When I used to be in public accounting as a CPA, I didn't know anything about running a business. All I was taught was, make sure that the bank reconciles and that you optimize the tax savings, which you definitely need that. You need an accountant that's going to help you save taxes, but that's not what we do at Momentum. We help you make better decisions, and we give you financials that are simple and they make sense so that you're not confused all the time, wondering what the numbers mean.
We were just hoping to be able to get financial clarity of how much runway did we have, could we hire? I mean, we just needed almost like a data point.
Momentum has really helped us get a better picture of our finances, our levers of profitability. We're spending less time together getting clarity on those things because the answers are already put forth in a very proactive way.
A lot of business owners don't have the clarity they need because they're probably working with an accountant who maybe has been doing things a certain way and not staying up with the trends. Accounting is more than just your net income at the end of the month. There's a lot of things that go into it, and there's a lot of big conversations that you can have around it.
Momentum has really helped us get a better picture of our finances, our levers of profitability, and that really improved things for me as far as operating day to day and brought the most financial clarity I've ever seen in my business.
A lot of entrepreneurs don't know what they don't know, and they're hesitant to make the investment in good accounting and finance function because they see it as a cost, rather than something that can actually empower them to make better decisions and be more in control and have better financial outcomes because they have that clarity.
Momentum accounting was one of the better investments we've made. I have much more insight in my finances. I am not getting to the end of the week and wondering, do I have enough money in the bank to pay my invoices? I know where we're going.
Most business owners have never had accounting that they can actually use to make better decisions. Most of them receive reports from their tax accountant that never actually understand what the numbers mean, or maybe they have an in-house bookkeeper or a family member doing the books. But again, when they're asking for that insight, they're just not getting it.
Not only were we having to make decisions without accurate information, we were having to update our systems, get them in line, and do that on the fly while we were seeing dramatic drops in revenue. That became extremely important for our company to get the right data, have a standard structure, be able to forecast and make strategic business decisions very quickly so that we were not in a position that ultimately we would have to be closed down.
They need to understand what is their profitability. When they get an engagement, they need to make sure that they're going to make profit, and they have to understand what they have to make in order to be profitable.
Before we started working with Momentum Accounting, we had a bookkeeper, but it was just, you get a set of books, get a set of statements. With Momentum Accounting, they really dig into it. So for business owners who want to understand their finances on a deeper level, I would suggest that they talk to Momentum Accounting.
Most bookkeepers can come in and do the books, but we want to come in and understand what your high-level goals are so that we can help you understand what levers that you can pull in order to get there. What we want to do is look under the hood, so get access to your accounting software. We'll look for opportunities to improve profitability, optimize cash flow, and look for any errors or mistakes that have previously been made.
We're light years away from where we were. I feel like they are just such an asset to any growing company.